What's going on, Crypto Warriors? Today is Tuesday, May the 1st, and I am Bitcoin Zay here to give you a tutorial, the part 2 of a long series, which will be cryptos to watch. Every week following the release of our newsletter, we'll put out a short tutorial showing you some of the things we're looking at in reference to the coins that were in the newsletter, such as WAN chain, as you can see here. Like we stated in the newsletter, the technical analysis on this, like most altcoins, is a good buy signal simply because long term, if you're thinking about holding long term, this is one of the coins we are looking at for the future. If we take a look at the charts real quick, one of the things I'm looking at, and this is priced against Bitcoin, one of the biggest things I've been looking at the past few days was these two levels here at the 8,500 sat and 6,700 sat range. That range in there for the past couple of days, actually last week. And when the newsletter was released, the 24th, if you were able to get into this range, right now you're already up 20% with WAN chain. However, we did do some TA on that and encourage people to get in way earlier, simply because I think this is a big opportunity for people to get in on a coin that is a part of sort of a conglomerate with Aon and Icon, and right now it's doing very well, up 12, at least 12% since we put out the newsletter, even if you bought it the next day, and up to as much as 20%. So looking pretty good there. I would be looking to buy anywhere right here at this support level where we've tested it, and we've tested 1, 2, 3, 4 times already. I'll be looking to get in there. However, the best support would be down in this area in the 7,200 range. Bring that up. 7,300, 6,700 range would be the best support, best volume area there. So looking back at our newsletter, the other coin I want to take a look at, which we discussed, ZIL. This is a very new coin. However, when we wrote about it, it was at the 667 sats level, and this was one of the coins that we looked at and saw that if you have any type of competition to Ethereum, that coin usually does pretty good numbers for speculation. Chart wise, if we take a look from that 667 sat price right now, it actually has doubled since then to 1135. So if we go back to the 24th, even if you got on the 25th, where we're at now, you're still up 20% so far if you got in at that price the day it came out. However, when I actually wrote it, it was down at these levels, at the support levels that I expected in the 667 range. So actually be more up like 60%. I'll try and get the coins out that I'm looking at probably the week that I turned it in, the week before that weekend. So when Monday it comes out, you can read over it, do your own research and invest, or you can take a look that weekend and actually go ahead and do it. So as you can see, very profitable trades so far this month. And these are just two of the coins we're looking at. Like I said, my strategy with altcoins is simple: buy low, pick a time period to hold it, and sell at new all-time highs, and let a small amount run. Very simple strategy with altcoins. If you're trying to jump from coin to coin, you will get wrecked. I know plenty of people that have tried that, day trading, trying to catch every 20%, every 30%, when you could have held 5 or 6 good coins and made over 1,000% a piece. So just keep that in mind as we go forward into this new season. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them on the members portal, and we will make sure to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you, Crypto Warriors, and have a good one.